Let's get started. My name is Mntwana Wabantu. Hey, you know we're back again. We're back again. Look, your FaceTime, right? You know what to do, right? Make sure you check the link below, right? It's very, very crucial important because we giving back to the community. We help our brothers and sisters as far as knowledge. Because they always say, give your brother and sister knowledge to the power or skill sets so they can be able to stand on their 2 feet. So I have a feeding program, not only feeding program, and look, after we finish, you're going to be able to solve all these questions. Not only feeding program, also, give them skills like computer skills. So I have a program where I give people computer skills like Excel, koney skills, Microsoft, how to fix the computer because that's my expert. Okay, see what I'm saying? And then also, also develop talents like singing talents, especially for the dads or people who are elder who can sing like gospel or any type of music, or the youth. So we these help them to not focus on negativity as far as, for example, crimes or involving anything negative. So that's what come with this initiative. Hey, look, you first time here, click the link below and see what we do. Now let's get started. So the first question they say here, Marwala invests an amount of money in account earning 13.88. The interest per year, interest per year, the interest per year of compounded weekly. All right, let me break down for you. So if this it was compounded weekly, ask yourself how many weeks in 1 year? How many weeks in 1 year? So in a 1 year, we have a 52 weeks. So you're going to use that. Very important. If they say, for example, but that's not part of the question, if they say it was compounded daily, so you say how many days in 1 year? Days, 365 days in 1 year in quarter. Or you can just say 365 days. You see what I'm saying? So you need to pay attention to that. If they say it was compounded monthly, you say how many months in 1 year? You have a 12 month. You pay attention on that. But for now, it has to do with the weeks. So we have how it was compounded, so we can represent this using letter M. And then interest rate we have. Interest rate equal to 13.88%. Okay, let me write like that. 13 interest rate, 0.88%. What else do we have? They say the amount was accumulated to. So the amount which accumulated to, we don't know how much this person invested, but after 5 years, it ended up become 50,000. The amount was invested initial, also the one, the principal amount. The amount was, but now, which formula I'm going to use? What I'm going to use, or how I'm going to do? You have to pay attention to this. This is compounded interest. You know why I do that? Because, how did I know that? Because there's this word here. It was compounded. Compounded interest, because we have a simple interest, we have a compounded interest, we have a future value and present value formula. So you need to pay attention to that. So for now, there was no something has to do with the interest rate. I'm going to show you more example like how you identify the other formula. So for now, for this case, we're going to use the little formula, say amount equal to principal. This amount accumulated after 5 years of a certain period of time equal to principal 1 plus our interest rate. But the interest rate you must divide it by how it was compounded. But for this case, it was compounded weekly, so this M is going to be 52, and then you multiply this same M which is here. It must be here on top, and then you multiply by number of years, which we can say N or N other length. Okay, so we have a lot of information here. Which information do we have? We have how it was compounded, which is 5,000. So I'm going to say this is going to be 5,000, means this A equal to 5,000, amount accumulated, 1, 2, 3, 50,000, equal to, we don't have a principal, we're looking for that. Bracket, 1 is 1. What is the interest rate? Our interest rate equal to I. What is I? I equal to 13.88, but do not forget to write your percent, and then over M. What is the M? M is 52. And then here you must take your 52, which is M, and then you multiply by number of years. How many number of years? 5 years, I believe so. So now what we're looking for, we want to get the value of P. So how are we going to get the value of P? Okay, now I'm going to say to get the value of P, I don't need this stuff here. It's like You want to get the values of this. So divide by all of this throughout. So I'm going to divide it by 1 plus 13.8% over 52 over 52 times 5 on left and right. And here also, I want to do the same thing. Huh? Yeah. 13.88 over 52 times 5. But this and this cancel. So because they're the same. So P equal to 5,000, 50,000, sorry, over 1 plus 13.88%, and then we over 52, and then we got here 52 times 5 years. So we're going to plug this in the calculator and get the answer. It's easy like that. So we come here and say, okay, cancel everything, go fraction, and then top is 50,000. They go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go to the bottom. In the bottom, they're going to put your bracket, and they say 1, 1 plus fraction, 13, and then 8, and then shift percent. Oh yeah, percent. Go to the bottom, write your 52. Come here, close, and they go to power. 52 times 5. 52 times 5. Oh, so that's the option 1. 255,079. 40 whatever. Okay, so that's gonna be our option 1. So for this one here, for the first question, it's gonna be option 1. Option number 1. Now let's go to the question number 2. Let's take a time phase. Like I said, I don't like to make a longer video. I can separate the time. Oh no, I still got time. So we can do second question, all the questions. Now we go. So for the second question, they say Malume gift won. Maybe play some ladder, and then he won 120,000 in a sport betting, and immediately deposit the money in a saving. Okay, now pay attention to this. He won this amount, and then right now when he won, he deposited the money in a saving any. Oh, so this is gonna be principal amount, and this is gonna be interest rate per annum, compounded. Oh, so we're gonna use the same formula like the previous. It's not simple interest. It's not the present value formula, and it's future value, which I'm going to show you for the more example. Or watch my other video. You hear me? Now we're going to say now. So we're going to say now amount equal to principal 1 plus interest rate, and then we divide by n, and we say n times n. All right. So what is the 1,200? 1,200 means he got the money, and then he deposited. So that's a principal money he won. So we're going to say now here, we don't know now. So per annum compound amount. 5 months later, say 5 months later, after winning, he withdraws certain amount for his son's education. So now let's take this 120,000 and put in a formula and see after 5 months how much we got. And they say he withdraws certain amount for his son education, but we don't know how much he withdraw for his son. But for now, let's not go there for his son. Let's find when he deposit 120,000, 1 plus interest rate equal to 8.5. How it was compounded? It was compounded monthly. So how many months in 1 year? There are 12. So in the position of this M, we're going to write 12 here. And then we say 12 again on top because here's M times how long is 5 months. Because we want to know after 5 months how much he got before he withdraw for his son education. So you take your 5 months, you divide by 12. You know why? Because if you want to change the 5 months to years, time always must be years. You have to divide by 12. That's how you make it in years. That's why I say this 5 months, which is M, we must divide by 12 to make it as a year. But remember this M here, it must be there also. That's why here we have M, the same thing in there. And then we take time by time, but the time is in month. We must change it to years. Years, yes. So now we're going to say amount. After 5 months, let's see how much we got. So we're going to say 1,200 plus 1 times 5%. Now we come to the calculator. So come and erase everything. Say 1,000, 1, 2, 3. I believe it's 1, 2, 3. Yes. Bracket is bracket. 1 is 1, plus is plus, 5%. Sorry, my problem. 5%, 5%. And they come to the fraction. I say 5%. And you go to the bottom, you put your child. And you come here, you close. Oh, no, I made a mistake, sorry. And they come here, you close. Power 12. And then you come here, 5 over 12. Now let's see after 5 months how much this person got. So after 5 months, he had a how much he got? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 2, 5, 2. Let's see. I think I made a mistake here. Oh, the interest rate is wrong. It's not 5% interest rate. It's 8.5. My apologies. Okay, let's come and change the interest rate is 8.5. I'm very sorry. 8.5. Now let's see. Let's see what we got. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10. Okay. 630. Okay, cool. Now we come here. First and foremost, I need to write in proper way. This is 8.5, my apologies. So we're gonna say amount after 5 months is 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10, 20, 630. Oh, let me write it back a little bit. So we say amount after 5 months. Let's do like this. Amount after 5 months equal to 1, 2, 4, 3, 10.63, 63 after 5 months. Now we go. So then what happened? The balance. Now they say here he withdraws something for his son education. Do we know how much he withdraw? We don't know for now. So now let's read, but we know we must take that amount of 5 months and withdraw a certain amount. Let's continue. Maybe they mention or they did not mention. If they did not mention, it means you must take this amount of 1, 2, 4, 3, 10, 63 minus x. X it can be son's amount, but let's now read because we cannot make assumption. The balance. They say the balance in account 1 year after winning the money is that one. Oh, so we don't know how much he withdraw after 5 months, but we only know the balance after 1 year is that. Okay, we know now what we're gonna do now. So let's take this amount. Let's make some space here. So now I don't need this one here. We're gonna make some space. So now let's say we're gonna take this amount, which is 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10.6363. We must minus x. X is x meaning his son education money or school fees, whatever they say here, for 2 sons education money for his sons. So and then after 5 months, this is gonna be the money is gonna be in account. 1, 2, 4, 3, 10.63 minus x. That's amount which is gonna be left in there. X is the amount of the son's education. Now we go. Now what has happened next? They say after 1 year, we be left with that. Okay. So now this in other ways is going to be our new principle. Means after that 5 months. So let's write our formula. Our formula equal to I equal to principal. And then we're going to say 1 plus interest rate. How to compounded? Which is compounded still monthly, you know? So monthly means you must divide by 12. Because they say month, and then you say you're 12. Now, if because they say this amount is going to be left after 1 year. In a 1 year, we have a 12 months. So 5 months, we know he withdraw something and they were left with 1. So how many months left for to get to 1 year? Means 7 months left. 7 months what? Left. Meaning the time here is going to be 12 because according to the formula of compound interest, you must take your M and then you multiply by time. It's like M and how it is compounded, which is 12. Now whatever you write here, you must write there, and then you multiply by number of year. How many number of year? It's like say 12 times number of year. We don't have a year, we only have a 7 month. But a month you must divide by 12 to make years. So I'm gonna say multiply by 7 or 12. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay? Because look, it's like this. Here remember it's M. So which is 12, and then we put your bracket. whichever numbers here must be here on top. 12, 12. And then is 12, 12. And then you say m, m. What is our m? Our m equal to 12. Multiply by number of years. We don't have number here. You have 7 months. And then, but since the month to change to year, you must divide by 12. Okay? So then, but our principle we know. Our principle is this one right here. So here in the principle, we're going to write that. And in amount after 1 year, we know it's going to be this one right here. So I'm going to say now, amount is going to be 99, 99, 99, 99087.42. So this is going to be the amount equal principal. That one right here. 1, 2, 4, 3, 10, 6, 3, 6, 3. Bracket, bracket. 1 is 1. Plus is plus. I, what is the interest rate? We know it's the same thing. 8.5. 8.5. Divide how to compound 12. Bracket. Okay, let me use the red color here, so it's not gonna bring confusion. Okay. Okay, now 12 and 12 cancel because this is 12, so it's like power 7. So we want to do here, we want to get the value of x only. Oh, I made a mistake. I'm sorry. The principle here is gonna be this one here, so we must minus x here. Sorry, 63 minus x, because this is a new principle for the 7 month left. 63. But even if you say 63, okay, let me write all of it now, because in the proper way. Okay, it is 7.42. Oh my God, sorry about that. 0.42 equal principal. Our principal for the 7 month left is going to be this one. After minus, after you start education, excuse me, sorry. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10, minus x, and then 1 plus 1, interest rate is 8.5 over 12. Okay, now n, we say 12 and 12 cancels, just a 7. So we want to get the value of x. We can get this value of x is easy. So first and foremost, I can get this value here. Or the easy way I can do, there's a lot of ways you can do. I can divide by, because remember here there's a bracket here. The bracket is a bracket here. So I can divide by 1.1 plus 8.5% over 12 power 7. And here I can divide by the same thing. Divide here by 1.8. 1 plus 8.5% over 12 power 7. This and this cancel. So here on the right we have a 10.6363. Sorry, I forgot 6363. So I apologize. 12.43.10 6363. Sorry about it. Okay. So then what happened? On the left hand side, you have to plug in the calculator and get the answer here. So come in the calculator. Say bracket, fraction 99. 990 0 to 7, 42. Bracket 1 plus fraction 8.5 shifting fraction over 12 over 12. Okay, sorry about that. My computer just acting up. Okay. Well, now we come into the power. No, you cannot do that. We have to close. You have to close the bracket. Okay, close the bracket. Power 7. Come here, baby. Okay, now let's get the answer. So all the stuff on the left, okay, did I do everything here? Is 9431063. Okay, cool. So on the left here we have means all of this give us 943 10 20 9 94310, 94310, 63298. We can just say 63 equal. So on the right hand side, remember this and this cancel. So we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10, 10.33 minus the x. So how are we going to get x here? To get x, I'll take this one to the left, so it's going to become positive equal. Okay. Because this is negative, it's going to become x equal. On the right hand side, I got that one 1, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10.6, 6, 3. And then I'm going to minus this, going to go here 9, 4, 9, 4, 3, 10, 310.63.63. Okay, so x equal, so then we're going to get x. What is x? X, remember, is like his son money, which is used for education, right? The one that was subtracted. So x equal to, okay, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10, 1, 2, 4, 3, 10.63, 63, 63. Remember that the one minus 9. We minus what? 9, 4, 3, 10. 9, 4, 3, 10. 9, 4, 3, 10. 0.63, 0.63, 298. Now let's see the finals. Oh, is 30,000. So therefore that being said, we know for a fact this is gonna be the phase, the second option. The second option. But hey, look. Now let's take your time pace, like, cause like I said, I don't want to make it too long video and then it become like, oh, the video so long. I think 22 minutes is actual more time. But hey, look, you better follow your boy. Trying to own an Instagram, right? Cause I'm gonna show you something. What we do there, we get back on the Instagram, on the YouTube. Click that link below. You're gonna see what we do for the community. I have a lot of videos, and apart from that, to leave a comment is very, very important, because then I know there's a beautiful family who watching this video. And hey, for the TikTok, you're gonna see me wearing my glasses and do my dance. Hey, I do my dance on TikTok, man. Go and check your boy out. The same name, Mntwana Wabantu. So Mntwana Wabantu. Thanks a lot for your time, man. Peace. And I'm gonna see you soon for the more questions. I'm out.